Question is solve the pair of simultaneous equations. Since a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b, we may write the first equation as x plus y into x square minus y square as x plus y into x minus y is equals to 32. X plus y into x plus y will become x plus y the whole square into x minus y is equals to 32. For convenience, we number this equation as 1, and the second equation, which is equals to x minus y into x square plus y square is equals to 20 as 2. Now, we divide equation 1 by equation 2. What we will get? X plus y the whole square into x minus y divided by x minus y into x square plus y square is equals to 32 divided by 20. On the left hand side, x minus y will be cancelled out. And on the right hand side, I will divide numerator and denominator by 4 to make it simple. So it becomes 8 over 5. So what is left? X plus y the whole square divided by x square plus y square is equals to 8 by 5. Now from cross multiplication we will get 5x plus y the whole square is equals to 8 into x square plus y square. Now by expanding x plus y the whole square, we will get 5 into x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 8 into x square plus y square. Now by expanding the brackets on both sides, we will get 5 into x square plus 5 into y square, and 5 into 2xy is 10xy, and on the right hand side 8 into x square plus 8 into y square. Next, by bringing each term on the left hand side onto the right hand side, we will get 8x square plus 8y square minus 5x square minus 5y square minus 10xy is equals to 0. 8x square minus 5x square will become 3x square, and 8y square minus 5y square is plus 3y square minus 10xy is equals to 0. We can write this equation as 3x square minus 10xy plus 3y square is equals to 0. Now to find the factors of this quadratic equation, we will split minus 10 into 2 parts such that multiplication should be equal to 3 into 3, 9, and addition should be equal to minus 10. And for that I will write this equation as 3x square minus 9xy minus xy plus 3y square is equals to 0. Now I am taking out 3x from the first two parts of the equation. So 3x, what is left? 3x square divided by 3x is x, minus 9xy divided by 3x is minus 3y. And the last two parts of the equation I am taking out minus y. What is left? Minus xy divided by minus y is x, plus 3y square divided by minus y is minus 3y is equals to 0. So x minus 3y is common. I'm taking out x minus 3y. So what is left? 3x minus y is equals to 0. So here are x equal to 3y or 3x is equals to y. Now we substitute these two values into the original equation, which is equals to x plus y into x square minus y square is equals to 32. So when x equals to 3y, this equation will become x means 3y plus y into x square is 3y means 9y square minus y square is equals to 32, which is equals to 4y into 8y square is equals to 32 is equals to 32y cube is equals to 32, which is equals to y cube is equals to 1 means y is equals to 1. And when y is equals to 1, x will become 3. Now we put second value when 3x is equals to y. So when 3x is equals to y, the original equation will become x plus y is equal to 3x into x square minus y square means 3x square is 9x square is equals to 32 is equals to 4x into minus 8x square is equals to 32, which is equals to minus 32x cube is equals to 32 means x become minus 1. And when x is equals to minus 1, we will get y is equals to minus 3. So we have two solutions, which are first xy is equals to x3 and y1. Second is x minus 1 and y is equals to minus 3. Hence, this equation has two solutions, 3, 1 and minus 1 and minus 3.